nightmares and laughter, my hilarious adventure with Nearby Share. Let's face it, folks, traditional file sharing can be a nightmare. Bluetooth pairing feels like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, and emailing photos to yourself is the digital equivalent of forgetting your pants. Thankfully, the tech gods smiled upon us and gifted us with Nearby Share on Android. But fear not, for I, your friendly neighborhood tech guru, am here to explain this magical feature and how it saved me from a social media meltdown. Imagine this, it's a sweltering summer afternoon, and I'm at a barbecue with friends. Laughter crackles in the air, hot dogs sizzle, and Aunt Mildred's questionable potato salad sits untouched, bless her heart. Suddenly, inspiration strikes. I capture a hilarious video of my friend Brenda attempting and failing to master the slip and slide. This video is pure comedic gold, destined to become a viral legend. Except, my phone's on its last legs, battery-wise. Uploading the video directly is out of the question. Panic starts to rise like the smoke from the grill. Visions of lost internet clout dance before my eyes. Then, a beacon of hope, Nearby Share. With trembling fingers, I activate the feature and scan the digital landscape. There, shining bright like a knight in data armor, is Brenda's phone. A quick tap, a silent prayer to the tech gods, and bam! The video transfers at lightning speed. Crisis averted. Brenda, blissfully unaware of her near-internet fame, uploads the video, and laughter erupts once more. We spend the rest of the afternoon reliving the slip and slide incident, cementing my status as the group's resident tech hero, and Brenda's, well, let's just say she wasn't too thrilled. There you have it, folks. Nearby Share, the digital hero that swoops in to save you from social media embarrassment or any other file sharing woes. Remember, for a smoother Nearby Share experience, make sure both devices have Bluetooth and location turned on. Source: Google support. Use Quick Share on your Android device. Now get out there, share your hilarious content, and create some unforgettable memories. Just maybe warn your friends before turning them into internet stars.
Okay, to activate this feature, I'm using Android 12, so it might be a little bit different on your phone, but it's either called Nearby Share or Quick Share. So you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, swipe down again, hit the little gear icon, and type in where it gives you the ability to search, type in share, see what comes up. It's either Nearby Share or Quick Share, and then select that and just follow the instructions.